Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's video we are going to see the chicken puff pastry, and look at this beautiful golden layered crispy chicken puffs. The layering is crispy outside and we have a chicken keema stuffing inside. So let's check out the ingredients and watch the recipe. Alright, so there's no much of a preparation here. We are just having chopped vegetables. I have a chopper, the veggie chopper, so I have some onion, ginger and garlic crushed. This is about 3 garlic cloves and 1 inch of ginger, and I have 1 small bell pepper. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. We are basically getting our stuffing ready. So add ginger and garlic. Onion. And bell pepper. Okay, let's add some salt, about half a teaspoon. You can also add green chilies, but if you have kids eating this, then I wouldn't prefer that. Let's add some spices, adding few pinches of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm also adding tandoori masala, but it is optional. You can add tandoori masala or any masala like bhaji masala, anything like that, just a different flavor. Give that a good mix. And also add chaat masala or amchur powder. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Give that a good mix. In 4 to 5 minutes, just see if your chicken is cooked. And not necessarily you will have a meat option of chicken. You can also try with paneer or potato. I have already shown you the potato puffs recipe. It's pretty similar to that. Alright, so let me cook for another 5 to 6 minutes, and then this stuffing would be almost ready. Pastry sheets ready. So these are store-bought pastry sheets. They were frozen, but now I kept it out for outside for about 2 hours, and now they are room temperature. Okay, so shape of the puffs are really up to you. You can make triangular, square, rectangular, or in a circle. So today I am going to try the triangular shape, because last time in the veg puffs I have made the rectangular sheets. So today let's try the triangular ones. Our sheets are ready. Once the stuffing is room temperature, we can simply stuff them in this and make a shape like this. Alright, so let's check out our stuffing now. There you go. I see that's cooking quite nicely. So we have to make it completely dry. So turn on the heat on high, and we are going to evaporate this water because I see the chicken is totally cooked. And that's why we take minced chicken or ground chicken, because its cooking time gets to almost minimum. So while that's evaporating some water, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, some more garam masala, and some coriander. So while this is cooking, I have also preheated my oven on 400 Fahrenheit because we are going to bake them. Stuffing is almost ready. If you do not have chaat masala, you can add amchur powder or lemon juice or some yogurt. If even couple of options here. So keep stirring and let the water evaporate from this. Make it. You can also add green peas in this. You can add some carrot. Up to you. Like, variety is endless. You can add bunch of other stuff. But I'm just keeping it simple. Another 2 minutes, and then we will keep the stuffing to cool. Okay guys, so my stuffing is completely ready. Now we are going to wait for 15-20 minutes to cool this off, because we cannot stuff the hot mixture in the pastry sheet. They are already at the room temperature, so we are making it cool off a little bit, and then we will start stuffing it and bake it. Alright, so let's wait for 15 more minutes. Okay, so my stuffing is now completely cool off. So we have that here. We have a brush and some oil, and we have water. We are not using egg here. You can use egg as well as 1 beaten egg instead of the oil. I prefer oil because it tastes good for me. Alright, so let's add 1 tablespoon of stuffing. Again, as I said earlier, you can have any shape that you like. I'm simply going to make it triangular shape this time. Alright, so just add water to the border and try to close this. All the edges from the side. Make sure the stuffing is all coated in, covered inside, and the edges are completely closed. Alright, so that's my triangular shape right here. Perfect. Now let me do a couple more, and then you know how to do it. Alright, so my oven is preheated on 400 Fahrenheit. So let's grease the baking tray and keep those puff pastries And now you are going to coat them with the oil from all the sides. Nice and easy, yet so tasty. Alright, as you can see, 400 Fahrenheit, and they are in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Look at this, they are almost done. I have set the timer for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes they are all puffed up, and I think I'll keep it for a few more minutes and then they will be done. And after 10 to 12 minutes of baking, look at this, how beautiful they look. They're all nicely puffed and golden brown color. Beautiful. You can have these chicken puffs with ketchup or any dipping sauce of your choice. So let's serve it. And here you go. After 12 minutes of baking, we have this beautiful golden brown chicken puff pastries ready. I have some dipping sauce here, sweet and sour tomato ketchup. So beautiful, lovely, gorgeous chicken puffs ready in no time. I hope you like this recipe, and I'm gonna give it a try at home. It's a perfect party appetizer or a beautiful evening snack with tea or coffee. So enjoy this lovely chicken puffs recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button and share your comments. If you have not subscribed yet, try considering subscribing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.